All right, welcome back. Today, I want to show you a tool that I've been using for my YouTube workflow that's actually made thumbnail creation way faster and way more efficient. This is the AI-powered thumbnail platform that lets you create thumbnails in a few different ways. Check this out. This is ThumbnailCreator.com. You can start by pasting in your YouTube video link, and it automatically analyzes the content and generates thumbnail ideas based on what the video is about. Or you could just type in a text prompt and it will generate viral style, click optimized thumbnails from scratch. The really powerful part is that it's not generating random images. It's designed specifically for YouTube performance. Inside the platform, you also get a full set of tools. You can store your face in an AI library so your thumbnails stay consistent across all your videos. You can generate multiple thumbnail variations instantly, which makes A/B testing super easy. There are also a few tools for adding text overlays, removing backgrounds, enhancing colors, and adjusting facial expressions so the emotions matches the hook of the video. On top of that, it includes things like thumbnail analyzers, YouTube SEO tools for titles and descriptions, plus idea generation and content repurposing features. So instead of jumping between different apps, everything is in one place. You get thumbnails, optimization, and content planning. I've been using this for my own YouTube channel here in my home office, and I've already batched over 100 videos using it. It completely changed how fast I could produce content. If you want to try it out, I'll drop my link below, and you can use my code for access. So check it out, go play around with it, and see what thumbnails you could generate for your own videos.